Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we handle the basic authentication or HTTPS authentication by using the Playwright. Okay, so how we handle and what is the basic authentication or HTTPS authentication and how we know this is the basic authentication or HTTPS pop-up authentication. So if you open URL and if the basic authentication is applied in there, you will get a pop-up window where it will ask you to enter username and password. Okay, like here, this is one URL postman-echo.com/basic auth. So if I open this URL, it will prompt pop-up where it will ask enter username and password. So if we enter username and password, okay, correct username and password, then we can sign in. Otherwise, it will not allow us to access the application. Okay, so if we have such type of pop-up URL, pop-up where it is asking enter username and password, then this we can handle very easily by using the Playwrights, because the Playwrights provide some functionality, some APIs. By using that, we can handle this. Okay, let's see how we handle that. I have one Playwrights Maven project here. Okay, so if you don't know how we create the Maven project, okay, in Java, go my previous video, you will see there. So now I'm going to create one class like this is handle HTTP auth. And I'm creating here the main method. Click on the finish. Method is created. So here, first of all, we need to create the object of Playwright. So how we create object? So Playwright, class name, Playwright equal to Playwright dot create method. This will create object of Playwright, and now we need to create launch the application. So Chromium application I am going to launch using the launch method. Okay, this will return the browser object. Okay, now by default it will run the test in headless mode. Now if you want to run in headed mode, then we need to change, set here headless equal to false. So we need to set call the browser type dot launch option dot set. Let me import first class. This is browser type. Okay, let me import this class first. Browser type launch dot set headless false. Okay, now it will launch the browser in headless mode. Next, we need to create object of page. So calling new page, it will return the page object. And here we can navigate the URL by using this page. Okay, let me copy the URL. Now, very simple, test is ready. It will just navigate the URL of the application. So when it will navigate the URL, we will see HTTPS pop-up authentication will open. Like here, you can see pop-up is coming. So now how we pass this pop-up and how we inject the username and password. You can see here I am getting exception, error, invalid auth credential. Okay, because we don't have any credentials. Okay, bypass. So we need to handle this. So how we handle here? So we need to create a browser context object. Let me create object of context. Okay, then browser dot new context. Here we need to pass browser dot new context also. Then set HTTPS credential. And here pass the username. So username is postman and password is password. Okay, this is the username and password to access this application. Now we need to create the object in our page by using context class, not a new page, not a page browser class object. Okay, so let me run now, and you will see the pop-up will automatically handle and it will inject the username and password. Okay, and it will work properly. Now you can see we are able to see the authenticated equal to true. Okay, that is automatically inject the URL, username and password in URL. Okay, if I want to run here manually, then we need to enter the username and then password here, then we can log in. Okay, otherwise, if we want to handle this by using the playwrights, so we need to use the browser.context object. In this we will need to set the HTTP credentials. Okay, and then navigate the URL, create the object of the page by using context class. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this will be helpful for you.